welcome to IB Study Video Lectures. Today we will discuss the 16th chapter of Grade 7 English Grammar. And our topic is Subject-Verb Agreement. What is a subject-verb agreement? It means a verb must agree with the subject or must match with the subject in number in the sentence. That means a singular subject always takes a singular verb. And a plural subject always takes a plural verb. Before the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize singular subjects that look plural and use the correct singular verb, identify subject-verb agreement in sentences, understand plural subjects and use the correct verb, differentiate between singular and plural subjects and their corresponding verb forms. Apply the rule that a finite verb must always agree with its subject in number and person. Let us study this example before we dive further in the chapter. I like to eat different dishes. Do you know fish and chips is a popular dish in England? You must try it. Now, in the second sentence, we are talking about a popular dish in England, which is fish and chips. That means fish and chips, a dish, this is the subject in the sentence. So, since fish and chips is a singular dish, we are talking about one dish. So, it will take a singular verb is in the sentence. Well, that is subject-verb agreement, that a verb must agree with the subject in a sentence in number. Let us read some sentences. He has gone to work. They have not done their assignment. We do not play basketball these days. The girls were working hard. So, in all of these sentences, we have a subject and we have a verb. We will notice that a subject will always agree with the verb and a verb will always agree with the subject. So, when the subject is singular or in the first person, we use certain singular verbs, and when the subject is plural, we use certain plural verbs. A finite verb in a sentence must always agree with its subject in number and person. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. For example, he has gone to work. In this sentence, we are talking about the second person. That means we will use for a second person and a singular subject, we will use has as the verb. They have. Now we are talking about plural. We are talking about many people. So we will use have as a plural verb. We do not play basketball these days. Now we're talking about one basketball game, but the subject is we. It is plural. Hence, these days will be used to relate it with the subject, and do will be used as a plural verb. The girls were working hard. So we're talking about the plural subject, the girls, and were is a plural verb here. Now let's discuss about singular subjects that look plural. Some subjects look plural in number, though they are singular. That means these subjects will take a singular verb because they are singular in number, but they just look plural. For example, there are certain nouns which end in S and appear plural, but they are singular in number. They take singular verbs. Like, maths is my favorite subject. Since we are talking about one subject, but maths has S at the end, that means it appears plural, but it is singular in number. That means it will take a singular verb. When a proper noun appears plural in form but stands for one object, it takes a singular verb. Now, we're talking about a proper noun That means a name given to a particular person, place, animal or thing. We're talking about a proper noun which appears plural, but they are singular. They stand for one object. So for them, we use singular verb. Gyan Sharma and Sons. So this is the name of a famous publishing company. Now this is one company. It is one object. But the name that appears plural because it is Gyan Sharma and Sons, right? So since it appears plural, but we're talking about a singular subject, we take a singular verb, is. The Comedy of Errors is a well-written play by Shakespeare. Now we are talking about one play that is written by Shakespeare, The Comedy of Errors. But the name appears as plural because of errors. But since it is one object, one play, we use a singular verb. So when a proper noun appears plural, but they are considered as one object, we use singular verb. When two nouns are joined with and, but they refer to the same person or thing or suggest the same idea, they take a singular verb. For example, pasta and stew is his speciality. So we have used two nouns here, pasta, stew, and we have joined the two nouns using the conjunction and, pasta and stew. But they are referring to one thing. It is his specialty. What is his specialty? Pasta and stew. So since they refer to one purpose, they are considered singular subject, and hence we will take a singular verb. The great politician, actor and writer is dead. So again, we are talking about three different occupations which are joined by using and, but refers to the same thing. That's why we will use a singular verb here. When the subject is used as a unit of measurement or a mathematical equation, the verb used is singular. For example, 5 kilograms of rice was sufficient for the biryani. 2 months is enough for the project. So this is for a particular measurement, a unit of measurement, distance, time period and mathematical equation. For these we take them as singular subjects and hence we use singular verb for them. When we join two singular subjects by or, either, either or neither nor, they take a singular verb. When we join two singular subjects by or, neither nor or either or, they are also considered as a singular subject and they take a singular verb. Neither America nor China is going to participate. Ayan or his partner has to win the match. So in both of the cases, we have used the singular verbs. The following pronouns are always singular and they take singular verbs like everything, someone, neither, one, each, either, everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, nothing, somebody, another, anybody, anyone, anything. All of these pronouns are always considered singular. Everybody has started playing, no one spoke. So they take singular verbs. Subjects which are plural. The pronouns both, many, few, several are always plural and take plural verbs, right? So till now we were talking about singular subjects and singular verbs. Now we're talking about the subject which are plural. Both, many, few, several, they're always plural and they take plural verbs. Many appeared in the test, few have passed. Several of the paintings were sold in the exhibition. So here many, few, they are plural subjects. So we will use the plural verb have. Several of the paintings were. Were is the plural verb and we will use it for the subject, which is several. Two and more singular nouns joined by and make a plural subject and they take a plural verb. So two and more. So two and more singular nouns, when they are joined by and, they are plural subjects and they take plural verbs. Like India and China are neighbors. The tiger and the lion are very dangerous animals. Right? So we are talking about two different singular nouns which are referring to one thing, but they are plural. Right? And same in the second sentence, the tiger and the lion, they are two singular nouns joined with and, so they also take a plural subject, a plural verb. The nouns trousers, pants, shorts, spectacles, socks, riches, etc. are always plural in form. Therefore, they take plural verb. Right? So, his trousers are torn. The spectacles need to be repaired. So, trousers and spectacles, they are plural subjects. So, we take plural verb for them. So, the subject many refers to countable nouns in plural, while much refers to uncountable nouns in plural, and they both take plural subjects. So, this was all about subject-verb agreement. Before we end this lesson, let us do a quick recap. A finite verb in a sentence must agree with the subject in number and person. A singular subject always takes a singular verb and a plural subject always takes a plural verb. And we learned and we studied lot of subjects that may look singular or may look plural, but they are singular or plural in nature and they take a singular and plural verbs respectively. So that was all about it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Stay tuned for our next video lecture.